Okay, this is my original Commodore 16 that I got in, I think, 1984. It's been faulty for probably 3 decades. Turned out it needed a new CPU. It's currently got a Commodore 64 CPU in it with a kernel upgrade and a new TED chip. I've installed a cooling fan, which you can probably hear, and I've put some heat sinks in it. So if I switch it on, you can see now that it's working as it should be. And here's an upgrade that I put in back in the day. This tells you the status of the tape drive, so power on, data low and data high. As detailed elsewhere, I've put a data cassette circuit board inside, which I've configured so I can have audio input from my phone. So now if I press play, hang on, better type in load first. Okay. You can now see that the data cassette drive is showing high and low. There we go. Now loading up. This proved most useful when I had gaps in the tape. I could see where the lead into programs were. If I had a, oh, there we go. If I had yes, if I was looking for, I had multiple programs on a tape, I could use this to see the gap in the tape, and therefore know where to load up from, which proved useful. Okay, let's go on again. It's quite simple, it's just a 74,000 chip, I think. So just got to wait for this loading up. What I always thought was pretty cool about Trailblazer and the loading screen was because of the very low amount of memory, that when it got towards the end, that you could actually see the screen corrupt, which hopefully we'll see very soon. There she goes. That's the 16 kilobytes getting well and truly filled up. But you knew as soon as you saw that the game wouldn't be far behind. And there we go. And as you can see, the data is complete.